one or two. Ain't no problem that I can't see through, as long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
Forgot to add these beautiful butterflies to my planters. I hope the bees like them. Out and about today, so I was wearing it. I'm just going to do a quick check on Dopey Hive for a minute, just see how they're doing with the resources I have left them. See what's what. So they're still going after that pollen. Oh, I didn't need a hive tool. Wow, they're doing really good. Check it out. Well, that makes me happy. Okay, I'm just gonna pull one of these frames out. They still have some feed in the feeder frame. Just want to see if they're storing on the outer frame yet. Beekeeping in a dress. Yeah, so they've started storing on the outer frame. So that's a very, very good sign. Because normally the outer frames are the last to get any food stores, especially in a honey super too. So it's excellent! Beekeeping in a kimono. That's what this one will be called today. There's a little trick I've taught myself. If you want to put the lid back on, I scrape it from the front down so that I don't squash any bees. So I scrape from the front of the hive, the inner cover. I think I almost got stung. And that system's been working pretty well for me. Thing I've noticed with Dopey Hive is at the beginning they were only using the top entrance, which bees don't really use like in my other hives. So I've noticed now they've been using the bottom entrance and they're actually fending off, like I've mentioned there was flies and hornets coming in here, and they're fending it all off now, so that's a really good sign. And it looks like a lot of brood has just hatched. So we'll see. I'll continue to feed them, but it looks really promising. I likely won't split these girls, but I mean, otherwise it's very promising. my cool dress. Oh, we can stand up here. So it's a little kind of like a kimono dress. I think it's from Thailand. And it used to be my mom's. She is a stylish lady. So I'm just loving it.